Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really quick and easy 10-minute makeup look. This is perfect for, you know, doing before you go to work, college, university, whatever. If you haven't got loads of time to apply makeup but just want to look a bit nicer, then this is the perfect look for you. So without further ado, I will show you how to do this look in 10 minutes. First things first, I'm just going to get my primer down. So I've got this Revolution Star primer here. This is definitely the quickest and the easiest step of this really quick 10-minute makeup look. Next, just on with my foundation, I've got this Rimmel Lasting 25-Hour foundation. This one's really great. It has also got SPF in it, which is good because we've finally been having some sun. This is one of my favourite foundations. In fact, I think this is the foundation that I've been using for the longest out of all of my foundations that I have. So just get this all over, obviously, as you would. You could either use a sponge to blend this in, or you could use a brush. There's no right or wrong, just obviously what's best for you or what you like to use. I always opt for a sponge, and I do always wet my sponge. I feel it's much easier to apply foundation, especially quickly and more evenly with a wet sponge. Well, not, you know, soaking wet, squeeze it out, but a damp sponge. Your next step, you just want to get your concealer applied. I'm using this MUA Pro Base one. This is in shade 100. So I always put this on my under eye, just up the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and then under my lip and on my Cupid's bow. Just taking the same sponge as before, and then just get that all blended in. Again, this is another really quick step. If you've got other areas that you want to apply concealer to conceal any blemishes, then of course do that for your look. Next up, it's just time to do my brows. Normally I would pencil my eyebrows in with a pencil, but just to make this look really nice and quick, I'm just going to be using this Brow Define brow mascara. This is the MUA Makeup Academy. This is their tinted brow mascara, and this is in dark brown. So this just adds a bit of definition and colour to your brows, but without taking too long. And there, just a bit of extra colour and definition on the brows without having to pencil them in. Next up is bronze. I'm not going to do a full contour for this look because it's just a really quick look. I've got this e.l.f. face and eye palette, and then it just looks like this inside. I'm just going to be using this one here to do my bronze. And I'm just going to be focusing this a little bit on my forehead and then just on my cheeks. Really just a quick brush over with the bronze. You know, you're in a bit of a hurry, you've not got ages to do a look but want to look nice, so this is perfect for that. Onto the cheeks now. Just going for a little glow rather than a really heavily bronzed look. And there we have that. Next, just on with the blush, I've got this Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. I'm going to be using this shade here for my blush, just focusing on the centre of my cheeks. Again, don't want to apply too much, A, because of time, and B, because I don't want to look overly flushed. Okay, and there's the blush done. For highlight, I'm just going back in with the same palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here. They don't have names, they're just all numbered. But this more pinky lilac highlight shade, just going to pop that on my cheeks just as a nice subtle bit of glow. This look is just perfect for when you don't have a lot of time, so you're in a rush or you're just trying to get some makeup on before work or school or university, this will be the look for you. Lastly, just a little bit on my nose and just on my Cupid's bow. and we're done with the highlight. Now I'm ready to do the eye part of this look. Before I pop down any shadow though, I'm just going in with an eye base. I've got my trusty Beauty Bay eye base, and this is base 1. So just dab that all over your eyelid. You don't have to be precise. This is probably perfect for a look in a hurry because you don't need the precision. Blend that in. You could either use a sponge or a brush, or just go in with your finger like I have. It'll be far easier to apply your eyeshadow now, and it will help the eyeshadow stay in place all day. For my eyeshadow, because this is just a really quick makeup look, I'm just going with a really simple eyeshadow look. I've just got this I Heart Revolution Angel Heart palette. Just looks like this inside, and I'm going to be using some of these lighter neutral shades just to do this look. Just taking a good size fluffy brush, I'm going to be using this shade here. This is just a nice bronzy shade, and for that I'm just going to be popping it on the outer part of my eye and then into my crease. And then just the same for this eye. Then just for the second shadow, I'm going in with this slightly more pinky shade here. I've got a bigger fluffy brush, and for that I'm going to focus on the inner parts of my eye. So this isn't an intricate eye look or anything, it's just really simple. Just a bit of pop of shimmer and colour on the lid is all you need. And just to add a little bit of pop to the under eye, I'm just going to be going in with this shade here. It's a bit more kind of corally, peachy. Just using that same brush I used at the start. Just a really quick go under with that shade. And there's the eyeshadow. Now I'm ready, of course, to move on to my eyeliner. For speed's sake, I'm just going to be focusing on my waterline. I haven't really got time to do liner, but if you are super quick at it or have time, then of course you could do that. I'm going to be using a white pencil. I've got this MUA one. This is in shade Snow Queen. And literally just popping that on my waterline. And the other one. Don't worry if you get any on your lashes, because of course you're going to put mascara on anyway. And there's the eyeliner. Last up eye-wise is of course mascara. I've got my Maybelline Sky High mascara. If you had time or just wanted to glam this up a bit, if you wanted, you could put some false lashes on. This is definitely my favourite mascara. I only need to do one coat. And there's that. I'm just going to grab my lipstick, and then that'll be the final step of this look. Lips wise, I'm just going to be doing a nude lip. I have actually got this mini Illamasqua lipstick. This is in shade Bang. So this is really, really tiny. If you are opting for a nude lip, of course, just use whichever nude lipstick you've got, or you could do any colour, or you could do a gloss, whatever took your fancy. I really like this matte lipstick. And there's that. I'm just gonna do some setting spray. Of course, that will take literally 2 seconds. I'll sort my hair out and then I will just show you the finished look. And there you have it, 10-minute makeup. This is a bit of a close-up of everything. So just a nice subtle eye. I think the white eyeliner definitely just adds to it. Nice easy nude lip. Just overall a really quick, easy look. Probably the best tip I can do if you haven't got a lot of time to do your makeup is just to do a brown mascara rather than penciling them in. I know when I pencil mine in, I do take a while to do them. And as well, don't do a really intricate eyeshadow. Don't, you know, do a cut crease or glitter or this or that or the other, because if you've only got 10 minutes, you're going to spend more than 10 minutes just doing that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.